Want to start animating, but you can't draw? In this video, I will show you how to make your first animation in FlipaClip using just a simple image you can download for free. Let's start. FlipaClip is a free animation app for Android and iOS. It's perfect for beginners because it works just like traditional frame-by-frame animation, but on your phone or tablet. Just search FlipaClip in the Play Store or App Store. Tap Install and open the app. Now, let's make a new project. Tap the plus icon and create a project. Now, as for this section, project name, you can name your project anything you want for your project. And as for the frame per second, set the FPS to 12. That is a good beginner frame rate. And as for the canvas size, if you want the landscape format for your project, you select the YouTube 1080p. And if you want the portrait format for your short project reels or for TikTok, you select the TikTok 1080. And then you click on the create project. Now let's get familiar with the tools. The pencil is your main drawing tool, while the eraser physics mistakes and the bucket fills color. And for layers are like sheets of paper stacked on top of each other. Use them to separate your background from your character. And the timeline at the bottom, that is where your animation comes to life. Time to start animating. You don't need to know how to draw before you start animation. I already downloaded a feather PNG with transparent background. You can get one from FlipaClip or any free PNG site. Just go on your Google and search FlipaClip. On this site, you can search for whatever object you want to play around with, you want to practice with, and start animation. All you need to do is to download from this app and go back to FlipaClip. Tap the image icon and choose the feather. We resize it and place it at the top of frame 1. As I said earlier, you don't need to draw anything. Importing images is allowed in animation, especially for practice. Now, we animate our feather falling. Here is the simple method. Tap on the 3 dots, click on frame viewers, hold on onto your frame, click on the copy icon and click on paste. Paste the frame to amount to your 12 frame per second. And after that, you click on the close icon and click back to get back to our frame. So we have our feather duplicated into 12 frames. What we do next is to move the feather slightly down just a little. But before that, if you want to see the previous frame like a ghost image, tap on the 3 dots and tap on the onion skin to enable it. With this, you can see your previous frame, and that helps with smooth animation. So now, before we get down moving our feather from up to down, we all know that feathers don't drop fast like a rock, so we have to add a rotation to make it feel light and floaty. Slightly rotate it left and right as it falls. Small changes make animation feel alive. So what we do is we move the feather and rotate it frame by frame. So as our feather is about to get to the bottom, to near the bottom, add more frames and make the movement smaller. That is called easing. Fast at the start and slow at the end. Now, let's play our project. And there you go, your first animation in FlipaClip. To save your project, click on the three dots, click on Make Movie, and again click on Make Movie. You can now post your project to YouTube, to TikTok, to Facebook, and when you click on More, you can share it to wherever you want to share your project and whoever you want to share your project with. If this video helps you to start animating, subscribe for more beginner-friendly FlipaClip tutorials and animation tips. I upload new video every Friday and we are just getting started. And if you want to advance to the pro level in animation, you can join my animation class. The link is in the description. This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.